all, Christine Byer here, licensed Master Esthetician for 20 years. And what did I do to my face a couple weeks ago and how did I heal? It was insane. Stay tuned to see how I healed from that. Welcome back. I do some crazy stuff to my skin, no doubt, but it's always in a controlled manner. It was Monday before Thanksgiving. I had my full face fibroblasted. I had my eyebrows microbladed. Anyway, how did I heal from all this craziness? When your full face is a scab and your neck is a scab, it can be really daunting. Now, just to let you know, I would never do this much to a client unless they've done it before and they're really in a rush to look better. It's not customary to do this much surface area. So do not worry, you won't have to go through something like this yourself. I mean, unless you really wanted to. But how did I heal? First things first, LED. If you've not heard about LED, it's been around in the skincare industry for at least 20 years. NASA did a bunch of studies with it. In the 80s, they were working on growing plants in space and helping astronauts heal. So I sell an LED, and I highly recommend, if you plan on going through any healing process from a skincare treatment, LED, 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 LED. I've done videos on this in the past. Absolutely, positively necessary. It will shave days, yes, days off your scabby period. Next in line, I used lots and lots of NeoGenesis. This is the booster, but I used Recovery. And either one will work, but Recovery is just a little bit stronger. Got 70% of the active ingredient, which is the stem cell releasing molecules from adult human skin donors, skin stem cell donors. Out of all the human stem cell based products I've used, this one is my very favorite and I feel like the most effective. And the Recovery is their best-selling product for a reason. And this is really the only thing that doesn't burn like directly after Fibroblast that I can put on my face. And I put it on my face a couple times a day during the whole healing process. Next in line, when I got about 3 days down and things were getting really tight because everything was starting to scab up and fall off, and I get really peely, but your face gets intensely tight. And so I did the moisturizing mist, and I love this moisturizing mist. This is kind of one of those products that nobody really thinks about, but it is so hydrating, and it has the stem cell releasing factors in it. And so it's got the S2RM technology, and it's like $30 for this. So it's really an economical product that gives you a little boost of stem cell activity while you're healing or anytime throughout the day. I love this mist. The next thing I started using about a week out after everything had peeled off, I started using this new Korean product, which is blowing my mind. It's got 4 different growth factors in it. It has natto gum. I've done a couple videos on this in the past, but it is a killer new product from Korea. It's part of the Sculplla line, meaning it's a facial filling product. So not only does it repair the skin, it has polylactic acid, which is a manufactured stem cell that goes into the follicle and starts to build up. And so when you use these products on a regular basis, you'll start to notice after a month or two that your face it sort of fills out in the nooks and crannies. It's really nice. It's such a clever product. And I wish I could find my little, oh, there it is. And it comes with a little dipper, so you don't want to, but it's really rich in natto, or PGA, which is fermented soybeans. But these are from Korea and they are non-GMO. It actually repairs the skin better than collagen does. So go figure. It's also very detoxifying. And then it has snail mucus extract, which the Koreans are gaga about their snail mucus extract because they are cellular turnover promoting and antimicrobial. So it keeps you from breaking out, even though you're putting all this really rich, hydrating, skin repairing products on your face. You will not get a breakout from this cream, which is lovely. I love that. So anybody can wear this. And what else did I do? I drank carrot juice while healing. Made a huge difference. You don't have to freshly squeeze it. You can actually just go to Walmart and buy this brand. If you drink, I don't know if you have a problem with sugar or not, but it has about 2 teaspoons, teaspoon and a half of sugar per 4 ounces. But I would drink that about 4 times a day, just a little 4-ounce thing. and really rich in beta carotene, which is your body's precursor to vitamin A, and it helps heal up so fast. It's up there with LED and all these other products. So I drank copious amounts of water, and that was it. As you can see, I healed fast. Once the scabs fall off and your body's sort of out of the whole triage point, just know that the skin will go through all these morphs and changes. The final results happen about 3 months out. In some cases, they can take a little longer, but I expect to be looking better and better as the months go by. This was done, today is Friday, the 13th? Is it the 13th of December? This was done on the 25th of November. So I'm 2.5 weeks out, a little over 2.5 weeks out. And I expect to be fully healed in another 9-10 weeks. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.